take a look at what's happening. Speaking of rain,
I just jinxed myself, I bet.
Yes, you did. I wasn't going to bring it up, but yeah, 100%. The last of the rain is moving off the coastal plain as we speak, and we're going to be drying out for the next several hours, staying dry through the peak of rush hour and really through most of the morning. Futurecast doesn't show anything more than a couple little blips on the radar simulation by noon. A better chance of spotty storms during the afternoon, but the computer's been having a hard time figuring out where that's going to develop. I think the best chance is going to be closer to I-95, and that's where the greater potential for a couple stronger storms is going to remain as well. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined this marginal risk of severe weather. It's level 1 out of 5. It's not a huge deal, but they have it going right through the triangle. I think they need to draw that just a little farther to the east, closer to I-95, and it's an outside chance of a couple stronger storms. Fewer and farther between for the storm chances today compared to what we had over the weekend. Looking outside right now, plenty of low-hanging cloud cover lingering after last night's rain. Even some of this cloud cover trying to drop down to ground level and form some fog to slow you down on the drive to work, but so far things have been looking pretty good. Upper 60s for current temperatures right now on UNC's campus and NC State's campus, with a few breaks in the clouds overhead. The faster that August sunshine burns through the low clouds, the faster we're going to warm up. But right now, we're around 70 degrees. A few spots a little below, especially to the north and west of the triangle, even 66 in Roxborough and Henderson, and we just dropped one more degree. We're now below 70 in the triangle in both Raleigh and in Durham. 72 degrees the temperature right now in Clayton. You are the warm spot. 71 degrees right now in Fayetteville. We'll stay steady for the next few hours. Maybe a degree or two warmer by 8 o'clock this morning with an isolated shower a possibility, but it's not a very good chance as we head through the morning hours. By noon, it'll just be warm, kind of muggy. Temperatures not kind of muggy, really muggy. 80 degrees by noon, and then into the mid-80s hour by hour this afternoon. Warm enough to pop the lid on the atmosphere, especially to the east and southeast of the triangle, with those spotty storms continuing into the early evening hours. But anything that develops as we head through the afternoon and evening will quickly quiet down once the sun goes down, which means you'll have a better chance to catch the Perseid meteor shower tonight. If you have the schedule flexibility to be out and about around midnight, look to the north and northeast, and you might see one of those shooting stars per minute. This is technically, the peak was last night into early this morning, but it's still going to be very visible if you can get out there and look to the northeast. With a few clouds still lingering overhead, it's not going to be perfectly clear, but certainly better viewing conditions than we had last night with all that rain. Tomorrow, lower rain chances, just 20%. Again, mainly southeast of the triangle. High temperatures around 90 degrees. Into the low 90s on Wednesday, into the mid 90s on Thursday. And then we start to back off the temperatures a little bit as the rain chances increase over the weekend. So we'll keep an eye on that for you as we head through the week. But right now, it's just Monday, and we have to get to work first.
Yeah, we do have to get to work this morning. So far, no big problems for you, so you should be able to get to work without any delays. And Paul's been talking about how the rain